Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing the full review of the Galaxy Smart Projector. Basically it's a Galaxy, it's a projector basically, but it is just for Galaxy. It's not a movie projector or something like that, but it creates the aura, it creates stars and all that in your bedroom, or it looks very amazing, very pleasant. And I'll be doing the full review. Unfortunately, I had unboxed it when I got the delivery. I didn't got a chance to shoot it, but the full review is here, guys. There are not. I'll be telling you the contents definitely, what all I got in the box, but the full review is here, guys. So go ahead and do check out this video. Let's get started. Right, guys. So here is the Smart Star Projector box. I've used it already, but this is the box. This is how it looks, and you can see there is an application called Smart Life, and you can control this projector via the app, and you can sync with this with Google Assistant or Amazon Echo, so that you can turn on and off and turn off the stars, lights on your voice. So if you see, it works with Wi-Fi, app is there, voice, and timing is also there. You can change the settings and all. So this is how it looks. As you can see, this is the demonstration of the app, the UI of the app. There is a scanner here, and it mentions that you have different aura for every room. Here, take off the whole starry sky for you. And the top you have this naming, I believe. LED nebula cloud, smart control, creating relaxed romantic atmosphere. Party essentials, sleeping helper. It is definitely not a sleeping helper for me, but this is how it looks. There are some different stuffs inside this, so I'll just not open this, but I have it opened already. It is here. So you can see there are different levels of settings, like adjustments. Basically you can adjust it like this to throw, or like this, or like this, as per your arrangement in your house. This is the star. This is for the laser lights, basically for the stars, and this is the Galaxy light. There is a button here which rotates, or it has a rotatory behavior. Say you want to change stars, you want to off. It's like 1 2 3 off, 1 2 3 off. It's a cycle. It's in a cycle. And this is a DC 5-watt adapter and a wire which you get, and I have it here. This is how you get it. So let me actually show it to you. Nothing else in the box, guys. There are some paperwork and all, but let me open this, and I have the plug slightly away from me to this setup. So let me open this, and I'll plug it in, and I'll show it to you how it looks and how the button works. All right, it started. As you can see, let me put it downwards. Actually, this is the Galaxy light. Now I'll press the button. As you can see, it changed, and the stars or the laser light came in. And now I'll change it again. If you can see, it's red now, and now again it's green. It changes like this basically, and it's off, and it's off. So there, it's a cycle basically. And let me show you the application as well, and I'll actually show you on my ceiling how it looks during the night time. I'll add those clips. I'll attach those clips to it, to this video. And the basic unboxing looks like this, and this is a very easy, simple product. I bought this for approx 2000 rupees because this is a smart one. There are some other products as well which are non-smart with astronaut design. That is, I feel you need to set the timers every time, and you need to get up, so that is not optimal for my use case. So I bought the smart one so that I can control it with my voice. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Here I'll attach some of the night samples where I'll be using this projector and I'll show you how it works over my voice, and I'll also show you the app controls. So this is all with the unboxing. Let me show you the app controls as well. Thank you. Guys, here is the app interface. Go to smart apps. These are all the smart apps which I have, and we'll go to smart life. So in this, as you can see, smart star projector, it's off and it shows some different things. Let's go inside this. This is how it looks, on and off. You have a timer function over here. You can set the timer. You have a schedule function as well, so you can add schedules and it will perform accordingly. Now I'll turn it on. Once I turn it on, you have this brightness at 80%. As you can see, I can increase the brightness and I can decrease the brightness. Next, this is the speed of the rotatory feature of the nebula. So this also you can change. These are the two major features in laser section. This is the laser. Now let's go to color. Color, you have 360 RGB, 16 billion colors as usual. The brightness is, again, you can control, and this is the contrast of the colors. As you can see, it changes, right? So you have all the controls here as per your wish. Now next we'll go to scenes. This is the different preset modes. So for sleeping, you just select sleeping and it would automatically change colors. It would have a soothing effect. Then it goes to romantic. It's the same different soothing effect. Party, it's something else. Relaxing, it's something else. These are the 4 preset, and you can edit and create your custom presets as well as per your need or whatever wish you want to. This is the best thing actually. And this, now this is turned on. This is all about actually smart life application. Now let's go to the Alexa app actually. So I go to Alexa, as I have synced it with Alexa. So I'll go to here. Sorry. So as you can see here, there are multiple things, right? Now I'll go to devices. As you can see, Galaxy is on. So here I have controls of color and brightness. There are no modes in this definitely, but you can create a routine here. This is the feature of the application itself. So you can create routines. You can turn on at a particular time, turn off at a particular time, or set to add a routine at a trigger event. There are multiple things which you can configure in the app. But from here you can do turn on, off. With your voice as well you can do it. That I'll show you in the next clips when I'll be showing you the night recording. This is all about the application which I'm showing now. And you have all the colors here, so you can select all the colors. Definitely there are some restricted number of features in the voice control app, but it does the work basically. So it's not like, you know, you're missing out a multiple set of features and you have everything in the Smart Life app. It's not like that. Just the preset modes are missing here, but apart from that, everything is present in this. So that's it for this video or this section, guys. Here, let's see the night clips and I'll conclude the video with it. Thank you. Alexa, turn on the Galaxy. Alexa, change color of Galaxy to blue. Alexa, change color of Galaxy to red. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And this is an amazing device, guys. It's a smart device, and you saw the effect of light and, you know, the colors. It creates amazing ambience actually. So if you are into it, go ahead and purchase this product. I'll link the Amazon links in the description below. And don't forget to click on the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back in next video. So stay tuned and thank you.